So welcome students. So in this question you're given that you have a circle touching x-axis at the point 1, 0 and also passing through 2, 3. In that case, what is the diameter of this circle? So how do we do this? Let us try to find the equation of this circle, and from the equation you can find the radius. From the radius you can find the diameter. So how do we analyze the equation of this circle? Because the circle is touching x-axis at the point 1, 0. If I draw a line through 1, 0 perpendicular to x-axis, it will pass through the center, right? So if I draw a perpendicular from the point 1, 0, the center of the circle has to lie somewhere on this line, right? Because this is the direction of radius. Because x-axis is a tangent, any line perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact should be one of the radius. So let us say that the center is lying on this line. So if the center lies on this line, the x coordinate will be equal to 1, because this line is x is equal to 1. The y coordinate be equal to k, and whatever is the y coordinate, that itself will be the radius of this circle. So what can I assume this equation as? X minus 1 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to k square. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to k square. So this is the equation of circle. You have an unknown here, right? You have an unknown here. Now you need to find this unknown. What is the information that you have not used till now? That the circle passes through 2, 3. That's the information which you have not yet used. So let us use that information. So 2, 3 has to satisfy this, right? So 2 minus 1 whole square, that is 1 square, plus y minus k, that is 3 minus k whole square, is equal to k square. This implies 1 plus 9 minus 6k plus k square is equal to k square. So k and k gets cancelled. So 6k is equal to 10. This implies k is equal to 10 by 6. That is equal to 5 by 3. As you have seen, k is nothing but the radius of the circle. And so what is the diameter of the circle? Diameter is nothing but 2 times k. So 2 times 5 by 3 is 10 by 3. That should be the answer to this question. Thank you.